on the life without parole. Seriously, life without parole is the most severe punishment. It is the most torturous punishment, because there is no way that any human being should come in and be frozen in the worst moment of their life. Because you can't be more. Because every single thing in your life is measured off your judgment and sentence. And every opportunity, there's been no opportunity made available to me in the Oklahoma Department of Corrections. My sentence prevents me from ever getting inside of any program, being considered for anything. Everything I've done because I wanted it so bad, and the people seen that, and they let me get in there. I've spent 25 years trying to restore my character and restore my dignity and restore my family as well as the victim's family. I have done everything I possibly can, and we'll get into that in a minute, but I am the first person in the Oklahoma Department of Corrections to ever create a victims restoration fund. I have paid $7,000 out in symbolic restitution to victim services organizations. That's never been done in the history of this agency or the history of this state. And for the district attorney's office to send the pardon and parole board a letter stating that I will not remorseful for my crime, it's absurd. I have not met any human being inside this agency who has put more thought, time, and remorse into what they've done. More time into trying to repair the harms and fix the relationships and try to save my family's dignity behind this as well as his. That guy, Roy David Treaster, he will be with me and a part of me for the rest of my life. That night shaped me into the person I am today, but I have a duty. I have a duty to live a particular way for me and him both.